Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to making money online, one thing that you'll come across at some point is getting paid for testing websites. Now, there is one company that's been around for several years, and it's pretty popular when it comes to, getting paid for testing websites. And that company is called UserTesting. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you what you can expect from UserTesting and give my opinion on whether or not I think this is a good way to make money online, or is it just a waste of time and you should be doing something else. All right. So UserTesting. All right, let's talk about it. They pay people $10 to test websites. All right. Now the company says it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to test one site. So, a lot of people look at that and be like, ooh, right? If I can do, 4 sites a day, that's only, what's that? Hour and 20 minutes. Ooh, this could be dope. All right. But I'll get to that in a second. So what does testing a website actually involve? All right. So if you actually get approved to be a website tester, you will need a microphone and everything to do this. But you're going to go in, you're going to go to a particular website, and you're just going to click around, right? You just going to look around, click here, click there, type this in there, move your mouse around there. And what the actual user testing is doing, they're actually tracking your movement on this website. All right. They're actually even recording your voice. So be careful what you're saying. All right. I mean, I guess you can say it if you want, you know what I'm saying? So if you're on there and you're like, damn, all right, they're going to hear you say it, or they're going to, if you be like, this sucks, or if you say, hey, this is complicated, they want to hear all that, right? So they will be recording your voice as well as tracking your movements on these websites. Why? Because these companies, they pay user testing to get feedback to make sure that their websites are, easily navigated. People understand the website. Everything makes sense to, average people who will probably be on the website. So that's it. Like, your job will be just to surf the, navigate their website. Now, after you get done doing that, you will be required to answer 4 questions about the website that you just tested. All right. So it's pretty much that simple. And like I said, I don't know if I said it or not, but I actually did get paid for testing the website. And I want to say it was through user testing, but I can't remember. It was like 7-8 years ago. But if not, it was very similar to, user testing. All right. So here are some things that you need to keep in mind before you apply to user testing. 1, you must be at least 18 years old to actually be a website tester. 2, you do need to have an external microphone, hooked up to your desktop or your laptop. Now, if you don't have a microphone and you do have a webcam like this right here, and it has a built-in mic, you should be able to use that. Now, something else they said actually on the website, if for whatever reason you really I want to be a website tester, I'm feeling this, right? And you don't have a microphone right now, you can actually apply using your phone. All right. But if you do get approved to test websites, you will need to get some sort of microphone before you actually do the real website testing. All right. So you pretty much figured out this is super easy work to do, but is it worth your time? Can you really make a good amount of money being a website tester with user testing? All right. Here's the thing. When you look on the site, and you do your little investigation, you'll see that one of the biggest complaints about user testing is not enough jobs, right? So some people, might only get 1 to 2 testing opportunities a month, right? 1 to 2 a month. So you're looking at maybe $20. But then it was shown that some people actually get 2 to 3 testing opportunities a day, right? So look at that. Look how drastic that is. Like, one person over here, might be making $20 in a month, right? Another person might have made $200 in a month. So it really does vary. And what really determines, who gets what is the needs of these website owners, right? Because a lot of times they want certain demographics. They want, you know, males between the age of 30 and 40. Some websites might want females, you know, 18 to 30 years old, whatever. So that's just like kind of like a wild card. So in my opinion, I would sign up for it, for user testing. Sign up for it because it doesn't take a long time to do, right? I mean, 15, 20 minutes, boom, get you a quick little $10, you're on your way. And if you can get, you know, 5 to 10 opportunities a month, I would say go for it because it don't take a lot of time. You can knock them out and it's very easy work. But if you're going into user testing or even thinking like, oh, I could be a website tester, you know, part-time income, hell no. No. Don't even think like that at all. If you're looking at it like, I don't care what advertisement you done saw or what somebody told you, you cannot like be like this type of work. No, you're not gonna make a lot of money. I would say if you lucky, you might can get, you know, $100 extra a month, maybe a couple hundred, and that, in my opinion, is if you sign up for several different website testing companies. That'd be your best bet. You know, find the top 5 companies, sign up with all of them, and then maybe you could generate, you know, an extra $200-300 a month doing this. But then again, it's like, damn, when you get sick of doing that, imagine doing like 5 websites a day. That would be kind of whack. All right, so look at this as extra income, something that, hey, if you get it, great, you know, go out to eat or something, whatever. If you don't, it don't even matter. All right, so that's my take on user testing. Now, if you want to check out a super easy way to start generating a recurring monthly income, you would definitely want to watch this video right here, right now.